Hey fashion family, did someone say fashion snooze fest? Feeling like you're seeing the same old stud down runways this fall winter season also? Well, no more worries. Your style guru, the broke designer, is here to snatch you from the clutches of this board down and whisk you away to a fashion wonderland. Buckle up, guys, because we are about to dive into a jaw dropping world of Iris Van's game changing fall winter 2024 hybrid show. Hold on. Who's this Iris Van Herpen? This Dutch designer is basically the Salvador Dali of dresses, the Michelangelo of materials. For the past 16 years, she's been totally fashion renegade, pushing boundaries and sending shockwaves to the fashion world with her out of this world collections. We are talking about underwater garments that would make Ariel jealous and dresses that fly because who needs just a boredom runway? Am I right? This time, Iris is throwing out the traditional runway rulebook. Forget the frantic model blurs and the pressure to keep up. The hybrid show is a fashion oasis, a change to chill, a sip some imaginary couture cocktails, and truly savor the details of these incredible pieces. Let's be real, traditional runways are like trying to identify butterflies in the hurricanes. You'll miss all the good stuff. Iris wants us to slow down, appreciate the artistry. Alright, enough chit chats. Let's get to the good stuff, the clothes. First up, we have the sensorium dress. Imagine an oversized bow meets up an asymmetric fabulousness. It is the perfect conversation starter, a piece that screams, "Hey world, I don't play by the rules." Plus, it's made from the cool obi fabric, a little nod to Japanese craftsman's kimono realness with a twist. Next on the runway, the Atraxi gown. Picture a Greek goddess who just stepped off the Mount Olympus. Flowy drapes that cascades down the model's body, hair like crown. It's pure elegance overloaded, but the real magic is in the see-through sculpture that looks like they're woven from the air itself. Turns out that science and fashion is colliding in the most stunning way possible. We can't forget the Ecosophie gown, a match made in the fashion and technology heaven. We are talking organza and 3D printing coming together in a beautiful dance. It's like something straight out of futuristic fairy tale. And can we talk about the makeup? Major props to the artist who turned this model into a real life angel with those stunning white eyes. Underwater vibes made the future queen vibes. Yes, please. Now, buckle up for the unveiled gown. This one is a proper showstopper. The way the light hits those gradient pearls make them look like a sound waves of nature. And model's pose, totally channeling a butterfly in the flight. Did you all know this book is actually inspired from a book about how little we actually perceive the world around us, which is pretty deep, right? Passion with a little message. Last but not least, the aeromorphosis gown. This dress is basically air itself captured into a fabric form. It's like Van Hafen bottled the feeling of summer breeze and turned it into a wearable art. Those gradient pearls make another appearance, but this time organza takes the center stage, flowing and twisting like a wisp of smoke. The color palette, think subtle hints of nature like whispers of wind and soft earth tones. The true beauty of hybrid show is that it defiles labels. Is it fashion? Is it art? Honestly, who cares? Van Herpen's creations are the whole new experience, blurring the lines between the art and fashion and blowing our minds. So, what do you think, fashion family? Did Iris Van Herpen rewrite the fashion rulebook? Let me know your thoughts in the comment. And if you're hungry for more fashion stuff, hit the subscribe button and join the fashion revolution. Because honestly, the world needs more fashion that makes you think, that makes you feel, and that makes you create. Let's meet with another video. Bye.